Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2002 Suzuki Intruder 800 with only 3,168 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a fairing, trunk, aftermarket exhaust, LEHMAN TRIKE kit, luggage rack, rider and passenger foot pegs, mirrors, and front and rear turn signals. With timeless styling, modern power, and all-around reliability, the Intruder was built to last and can serve a wide range of riders. Powered by an 805cc V-twin engine, the Intruder puts 50 horsepower and 48 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 27.6-inch seat height and weighs in at 531 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.